The Phoenicians were a group of people from the country we now call Lebanon in the Middle Eastern region. They were a seafaring people who built maritime trading empire around 1200 to 800 BCE. Instead of creating a huge land-based empire by conquering city-states like the Akkadians, Babylonians, Assyrians, and Persians of ancient Mesopotamia, they established small trading posts throughout the Mediterranean Sea. When these trading posts also had fertile soil, they sometimes attracted Phoenician farmers who settled there, creating colonies. The most famous of their colonies was the great city of Carthage. Carthage would eventually fight Rome for control of the Mediterranean Sea. Phoenicians were key in the exchange of goods and culture in the Mediterranean. They routinely traveled from Phoenicia to Egypt, North Africa, Greece, and Italy. There is some evidence to suggest they traded with West Africa as well. Most historians believe they were the first Mediterranean people to sail through the Strait of Gibraltar and trade with the island that is now known as Britain. The Greek historian Herodotus even recounted that they circumnavigated Africa. The Phoenicians were great shipbuilders. They used their legendary cedar trees to create very wide, round-bottomed ships, which could carry a lot of trade goods. They used oars and sails to ensure they were always moving towards the next trade destination. Skilled navigators, the Phoenicians are believed to be the first people to guide themselves using the North Star, since the North Star seems to remain in one place in the northern hemisphere. Sailors could use the star to tell which way they were traveling. The greatest legacy of the Phoenicians, however, was their alphabet. They simplified the common written language of cuneiform, which had hundreds of symbols, to an easy-to-understand 22-symbol alphabet. Instead of having glyphs or pictures that represented ideas or sounds, the Phoenicians used symbols that represented consonant sounds. These symbols were combined to form words and were the basis for later Greek and Latin alphabets.